Hello, class. I'm Professor Ant from Fiscal University, and today I want to talk about budgeting. Did you know that an ant can lift up to 50 times its own body weight? That's pretty amazing for something so small, and it's a great reminder that small things can accomplish big goals. Many people think budgeting means completely changing their lifestyle overnight, but that's usually where people get discouraged. Instead, I want you to focus on one simple challenge. Find a way to save $100 per month. Maybe you cancel a few subscriptions you rarely use. Maybe you bring lunch from home a couple days each week. Maybe you skip a few takeout meals and cook at home instead. By itself, $100 may not seem like much, but that's $1,200 a year. Over 5 years, that's $6,000 you've kept in your pocket before considering any interest or investment growth. Just like an ant can carry far more than you'd expect, small financial habits can create results much bigger than they appear. Don't worry about building the perfect budget today. Just find your first $100. I'm Professor Ant. And remember, small actions, repeated consistently, can carry more weight than you ever imagined.